A very warm welcome to our viewers. I request each of you to stay glued to our conversation till last because I have a very inspiring person with me at So High today. I would like to introduce our multi talented guest for today, Mr. Shibayan Ganguly, who is a martial artist and self defense instructor. He is also a dietitian and sports nutritionist. Shibayan is also a wellness coach, fitness consultant, Kathak dancer, and a choreographer also. A very small brief about his achievements to begin with. Mr. Shibayan is Asian champion in karate and secretary of national organization, black belt instructor of Kalahi Filipino martial arts and chief instructor of India. Shibayan is a senior practitioner of Bengali martial arts. Lati Khela is the creator of Project Atma Raksha and has also provided training to Kolkata Police. Shibayan has choreographed fight sequences of Tollywood films as well. Shibayan is the chief dietitian Kyoshunkai India and Shivaji Ganguly's Academy. He is a gold medalist in Kathak and holds different awards and titles like Star of Tomorrow, Giridhari Nayak Nritya Samman. Shiban has performed in various countries like Denmark, Belarus, China, Sweden, and Philippines. I'm obliged to have you here at So High to know your journey and get inspired. A very warm welcome, Shiban, to So High. And
Thank you, Aditi. Namaste, and
yeah,
uh, happy Diwali in advance because
thank
Diwali is
you.
approaching.
Yeah, yeah.
And I would like to thank you for such a lovely introduction, and also for inviting me to your platform. You have begun a very effective uh, initiative, I can
Yeah.
say, because I say the idea which you have come up with and the thing you're doing is also very important for the society. So thank you, Aditi, again.
Thank you so much for saying these kind words. And Shivan, so many things, and I don't see that you are much in age. So, what is the secret behind it? And just tell me, how did it all begun? From where did it begin?
So, well, actually, if my martial art career started when I was 3 years old,
Okay.
because my father is a legendary martial artist who has introduced full contact karate to India.
Mm.
Okay, he has practiced from the creator of full contact karate, Susai Mas Oyama. So obviously, it was the culture of the family.
Okay.
He used to take us with him in the classes, and in that process, actually, I cannot tell you the exact date when I started because it
Yeah,
was a
yeah,
process. I used to go and
yeah.
I started one day, and I was wearing my uniform, and my classes started. Then I completed my black belt in Kyokushin karate. Actually, karate is generally of two types.
Mm.
One is non-contact and one is full contact. Non-contact karate has its origin in Japan. Karate is a
Okay.
Japanese martial arts. So, like dance, martial arts is an umbrella term. It actually the umbrella term for all the arts which teaches you how to fight and defend yourself. So
Mm-hmm.
karate is one of them, which is from Japan. But you will be very interested to know that martial arts had its beginning in India. So it
Yeah.
traveled from India to different countries. Like in Korea, it became Taekwondo. In China, it became Kung Fu. The things we have seen doing Bruce Lee does
Mm-hmm.
or Jackie Chan does. These are the popular names, right? These are the
Yeah.
legendary popular names. And then we have Filipino martial arts. All have Indian influences. A very strong Indian influence, and there is a strong research which is going on, which actually indicates the fact that the basic martial arts whose reflection we can see in Kalari Paitu, which is there in South India.
Mm.
So, and then also Bengal had its own. So, India had this rich culture which traveled through the saints and monks who used to go for preaching, the Buddhist monks mainly. With them,
Mm.
this traveled and these forms developed. Then in Okinawa Island, when it reached, the karate was born. Okinawa
Okay.
Island is an island outside Japan. So
Mm-hmm.
from there, it was exported to Japan. Japan started promoting it. So karate became their national
Okay.
recognition identity. So
Mm-hmm.
then again, जैसे होता है साइकिल से हम लोग से निकल के फिर हम लोग के पास ही वापस आना,
Yeah.
तो वैसे करके my father, when he was young, he liked the art very much. He went to Japan, he studied. He was the Asian runners up. That time it was very difficult because you had to kind of do everything, because he was not from a very that time the economic condition was not that well.
Good.
He had to
Mm-hmm.
do his job. He has to gather his sponsorships. He had to plan his diet. He had to plan his training. So it was a very tough battle for him. So he went for the Asian Championship, the Southeast Asian Championship, and became second.
Okay.
After
Wow.
that, yeah, after that India got the recognition. He went to Japan to train under Sosai Masuyama, who is the creator of Kyokushin karate. Actually, he gave him an opportunity. He went there, he stayed there. He was surviving on very less food, and because Japan is costly, because you know that
Mm.
uh, आज से suppose this is 1984, so that time plane में travel करके abroad जाना was a luxury for people.
Mm-hmm.
So that time to study something, to go there on own, not with
Yeah.
government, because government का तो support वैसा सब sports में है नहीं. So
Mm.
it was a very big battle. So from then I and my brother have taken up. I'm the elder one, so I started before, and now he. So after that, the journey continued. I have completed fourth Dan black belt. That is the fourth level of black belt. Black belts also have 10 levels,
Okay.
and I had to do 40. I had to do fights with 40 people in front of Japanese board. It was so.
Yeah.
This is a very strong angle we have, and
Mm-hmm.
with that we also concentrate on bringing up new instructors, so that सब तो studies में अच्छे नहीं होते, right?
Mm-hmm.
Academics is not good for everyone. So we potential जो है, जो थोड़ा गांव से आए हैं, उन लोगों को
Mm-hmm.
इंस्ट्रक्टर के रूप में तैयार करके स्कूल्स में प्लेस करना, दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी बिग एंगल वी हैव.
Yeah.
And other than that, people learn for fitness, self defense, and your actually karate is a complete art which is based on Indian principles only, which they have forgotten, but we understand because I also practice yoga, so I can
Mm.
relate. There are a lot of yoga exercises which is there embedded in the drills of karate. So the breathing process, the everything, so you have a
Mm.
lot of similarity, and you can
Mm-hmm.
actually find a link, because yoga was one of the ancient shastra, you can say. Yoga is an
Yeah.
ancient way of life for India, and it is way before karate was born. And when you and Buddhism had a lot of yoga had a lot of influence in Buddhism, and Buddhism is one of the main uh, religion or cult in Japan. So
Mm.
you can see the
Mixing.
link,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then when we do the exercises and warm-ups in karate, there are a lot of postures which we find very similar to yogasana, and the
Mm-hmm.
breathing techniques, the deep breathing techniques. So not only yogasana, there are other techniques too, but that was the point where we realized that karate is a complete way of life, because it develops you mentally and physically, and
Mm.
makes you a complete human being. Because the problem which is now being which is coming up is we need to educate the society. We need to make the society disciplined, that these heinous crimes don't occur.
Yes.
So karate, I think, is a very effective way, because when a child trains in karate, he actually
Mm-hmm.
develops the discipline.
Mm.
वो जो डिसिप्लिन है उसमें बैठ जाता है.
हाँ हाँ.
तो ये जो सोसाइटी में आप देख रहे हैं ना कि विमेन्स आर गेटिंग इंसल्टेड असॉल्टेड, ये जो
Mm.
बेसिक डिसिप्लिन या अपना जो माइंड ट्रेनिंग नहीं रहने से जो हो रहा है ना सडन,
हाँ हाँ.
you can understand,
Yes. Yes.
the problem is your mind is not in your control. That is the
Mm-hmm.
basic problem. So that can also be addressed, and if women become stronger and controlled here, that can
Yeah.
also be addressed, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So both the things can be addressed from karate. So this is
Mm-hmm.
how now we are carrying it forward. And I've
Okay.
also won the Asian Championship when I was in the cadet group. I have a lot of national accolades also. I'm trying
Yeah.
now also. I will be going for competitions and seminars and trainings.
Mm-hmm.
Mainly, I now look after the organization. I'm the national secretary I'm the secretary of the national organization, and the academy, the Shivaji, because this name was not there. So I and my
Okay.
brother decided that because our father has worked so hard, we have
Yeah.
renamed the institution as Shivaji Ganguly's Academy, Mind and Body.
Okay.
So our main aim is to bring in the disciplines which are very effective to develop mind and body. So we
Mm-hmm.
have karate. Now I have included Filipino martial arts, which is very effective for self-defense. This is from
Okay.
Philippines. I
Mm.
went there, I trained there, I participated in tournaments. I was staying there as a residential student. So that art is also there. We are also in. It's our basic responsibility. We think that the area we live in, that is Bengal, the state, उसका
Yeah.
जो हेरिटेज वाला मार्शल आर्ट है उसको भी हम
Mm.
लोग कल्चर करके भी bring it back to life because
Okay.
it's kind of deteriorating and
Mm-hmm.
so we are practicing that and bringing and building up a group. Other than that, we have digital fitness classes because I and my brother both are certified fitness trainers and consultant.
Okay.
And I have also added this yoga and diet part to this academy because I have completed my dietetics in masters in dietetics. I have completed my like I have been I was working for an hospital like before and as a dietitian.
Yeah.
So when somebody comes to our organization, they get
They get
the
everything.
avenues. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
they get the avenues, the proper avenues where they can develop their mind and body. That is the main aim of this academy. So this is how my martial art journey is, and this is how I
Yeah.
started, and now I'm 30 right now.
Yeah.
So all these years I have been developing and also teaching and also trying to develop people. But I have a very big vision in my mind. I don't know, like, let's hope for the best. I want to make a system for ladies,
Mm-hmm.
for the working ladies and girls specifically, because I do feel after studying different, I have actually studied many martial arts. Okay, I have done practice to enrich myself because there are when you study different martial arts, you understand the pros and cons, and you get a better idea about the
Yeah.
martial art as a subject and
Mm-hmm.
self defense as a subject. So what I felt is the martial arts are very good, but for the working ladies, for the people who are into a different sphere of life, which they don't have a lot of time to practice, we need to develop a very advanced system कि उसको
Yeah.
जल्दी से अडॉप्ट करने से a lady can protect
Herself.
herself
Yes.
easily and get out of the situation. So
Mm-hmm.
I'm on the verge of doing that. We will जैसे आत्मरक्षा एक project में कर रहा था because we were
Mm.
teaching free self defense awareness workshops to different ladies schools, colleges, NGOs, universities, to make
Okay.
people, to make the girls and ladies aware that you need
Mm.
to, this is also an important life skill which you need to adapt.
Yes. Yes.
No point blaming the society, no point blaming why will the, yeah, we need to work at the roots, that is there, but
Mm-hmm.
you cannot expect an ideal society at any point, because रामायण के टाइम में भी रावण थे जो सीता
Yeah.
मैया को किडनैप
Dekhi
किए.
rahi. Yeah.
दैट टाइम वी थिंक ना कि पहले कंडीशन बेटर था, शायद
हाँ.
बेटर था, परसेंटेज बहुत कम था लेकिन थे.
It was
सो
still
व्हाई
there.
नॉट,
Yes.
या सो व्हाई नॉट बिकम द दुर्गा इन also,
Yeah.
right, where you can
Yeah.
balance your, at least you can put up a fight, at least you will not regret that मैं कुछ नहीं कर पाई. So that is the main vision I have, and
Mm-hmm.
other than the other things. So let's see, I'm working on that.
Yeah. So, Shivan, you're doing so many things and it's so inspiring, and whatever thought process of yours. So, one thing, like, how have you learned so many courses? Was it done parallelly or one after the other? And you
No,
are
no,
not
I have
stopping,
this
you are
very you can I actually say this is a very bad habit of mine, that whenever I find something interesting, I just leap into it.
okay.
Like सोचता भी नहीं था आगे पीछे कि कंप्लीट कर पाऊंगा कि नहीं, बट मुझे इंटरेस्टिंग लगा है, नया कुछ स्किल्स या नॉलेज सीखने को मिलेगा ऐसे जगह, कोई
Mm-hmm.
अच्छे मतलब गुरु से या अच्छा
हाँ.
टीचर से. I don't think twice. If it's related to the interests I have,
Yeah.
I just jump. If I can afford, if it's related to the interests I have, if it is
Mm.
creating a lot of like वो curiosity मेरे मन में कि मुझे
हाँ
सीखना
हाँ.
है. So actually, I will not say I have mastered everything. I will not never.
Yeah,
You
but
cannot master anything in your
yeah.
life. you can practice. But
Hmm.
I have developed an holistic approach where I can
Hmm.
help my patients, because in actually I felt it's necessary, because in dietetics, when we practice as a dietitian, just giving diet chart doesn't solve the problem. You need
Actually.
to actually inspire the uh, patients to take
Hmm.
up a healthy lifestyle. So you need to
Yes.
give them a lot of viable options. Like you
Hmm.
need to give them exercise options. You need to give them
Diet
the
options and
lifestyle,
yeah.
healthy lifestyle alternatives, right?
Hmm.
So if you don't have a basic knowledge, or if you don't have a frame about the exercises they will do, just
Hmm.
you are giving a diet chart, that doesn't work. So
Hmm.
you need to have a formal education in exercise science and yoga, because these are the very popular forms which people adapt easily.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
you can design a chart with the along with the diet charts, and then you can give video links so that they can follow if they don't have
Hmm.
time to go to fitness trainers. Though I always push them, make after making them aware that they have to go to a fitness trainer to train.
Yeah.
But still, many people have a very hectic and bad schedule where they go out like somewhere around 8:30 a.m. और रात को आते हैं 10 साढ़े 10 बजे.
Hmm.
There is no.
No time
So
for
my
health.
yeah, yeah. And also I have done diploma in acupressure. I'm an acupressure therapist, because जैसे ये कराटे में या सेल्फ डिफेंस ये करते वक्त ना चोट, मतलब जो होता है ना इंजरी बहुत
हाँ
जल्दी
हाँ.
से हो जाता है, मतलब कभी कभी सडनली
Okay.
लग गया, एक्यूट केसेस हो गया.
Hmm. So
टूर्नामेंट्स होता है
people.
जब फाइट्स होते स्टूडेंट्स को लग जाता है, या जैसे डायटेटिक्स में भी जब लोग आते हैं तो कमर में दर्द ये है. So I can help with that, because these are the things
Okay.
which you cannot cure with medication.
Hmm.
So
Hmm. Hmm.
acupressure is one of the very well-known method which works on these things which you cannot have, which you don't have direct medication to it.
Yeah.
So my approach is like, I'll tell you, if a diabetic person is coming to me, he's
Hmm.
scared about what to eat, what not to eat, और उसको इंसुलिन लेना पड़ रहा है बोल के वो थोड़ा डिप्रेस्ड रहता है, क्योंकि इंसुलिन का एक बहुत मतलब बदतर आइडिया है कि कोई इंसुलिन लेना शुरू करेगा मतलब उसका लाइफ खत्म.
Hmm.
तो ये सब
So
एजुकेट करना, फिर उसको हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल की तरफ मूव करना, फिर उसको एक्सरसाइज दिखा के उसको इंस्पायर करना, फिर एक्यूप्रेशर पॉइंट्स है डायबिटीज को कंट्रोल रखने में, वे
hmm.
यू कैन एक्चुअली, इफ यू प्रैक्टिस प्रॉपरली एंड यू मेंटेन योर एक्यूप्रेशर रेजिम प्रॉपरली, योर मेडिकेशन का लेवल डोजेज बहुत कम जाता है.
Okay.
मे बी इंसुलिन से ओरल मेडिकेशन पे आ जाएंगे if there is
Hmm.
no other complication that
Hmm.
doctors
Hmm.
will understand. But your condition improves a lot when you
Hmm.
combine exercise and acupressure and diet. So
Hmm.
I've seen that. So I always, it gives faster results, because
Hmm. Hmm.
diet करके आपको जो result 3 महीने में मिलेगा, so आप acupressure exercise और diet करोगे तो 1.5 महीने में आपको results दिखेंगे.
Results मिलेगा.
So
So I
that's
think
why I took an attempt to
हाँ.
kind of take up these disciplines so that I can help.
Hmm. So you are giving a very nice package to a person जहाँ उसका सारा प्रॉब्लम भी सॉल्व होगा और वो हेल्दी लाइफ भी होगा एंड इट्स
बिकॉज ये
वेरी गुड.
ड्रग डिपेंडेंट लाइफ बहुत जन को अपसेट करता है. आई हैव सीन
हाँ हाँ.
ड्रग डिपेंडेंट जो लाइफ होता है ना, दे पीपल थिंक दैट दे आर रिड्यूस टू
ड्रग्स
बर्डन, जो होता है ना, बर्डन हो
एंड
गया हूँ मैं अभी अभी खाली हमको
हम्म.
मेडिसिन खा के जिंदा रहना. या इफ देयर आर कॉम्प्लिकेटेड केसेस यू कैन नॉट हेल्प, लाइक द
हम्म.
कैंसर केसेस और द
बट
renal failure
इनिशियली
cases, you cannot.
इनिशियल
Yes,
स्टेजेस
yes,
में डेफिनेटली आई थिंक ऑल दीज थिंग्स
you can
कंबाइंड विल
actually
हेल्प.
matlab, you can go back to your healthy one body if
या
you
या
change your lifestyle and maintain that. That is
या.
what my idea is.
एंड शिबान डांस इज व्हाट पार्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ.
Yeah, I'll tell you what happened is my mother was a very graceful dancer along with my
ओके.
aunt, like my masi. And
हम्म.
my grandfather, my Nana ji actually, my
हम्म.
mother's father, he
हम्म.
was a doctor, but he was very much a cultural person. He used to write plays and organize plays, and he was a very good actor.
ओके.
Somehow that gene was inside me, which was pushing me to take up a form of uh, dance or anything, because I was a very uh, like natural dancer from my childhood only. बट
ओके.
उस स्कोप नहीं मिला, मतलब होता है ना कि
हम्म.
स्टडीज एंड देन आई हैड कराटे, सो अलग से ये सीखने जाएंगे तो मतलब होता है ना, यू कैन नॉट. सो आफ्टर
हाँ.
कॉलेज आई decided to give it a shot. I was in St. Xavier's College, Kolkata.
Mm,
I did my doing my BSc there. I wanted to give it a shot.
mm-hmm.
Like I didn't want to regret when I was 60. कि अरे, how I could have performed. I could have danced.
Yeah.
So I started my journey, but that was an hideous journey. I'll tell you because फिर से घर में बोलना कि मुझे इतना सब करके भी वो भी करना है.
Uh,
तो मम्मी जैसे होता है, यू अंडरस्टैंड कि अभी टाइम
yeah.
मिलेगा तुम इसमें करियर, you can do it as amateur, but amateur कुछ
Mm,
होता नहीं है. If you don't learn it properly, you cannot produce it properly, or you
yeah.
cannot do it to your satisfaction. Basically, I
Mm-hmm.
feel. So मैं MBA क्लासेस के नाम पे थोड़ा छुप के जाता था डांस करने
Okay.
सीखने. तो करते करते I got confidence. I realized yes, this is a part of me which I need to explore and I need to take it up.
Mm,
So after that, I did my course in tab jazz. Kathak एक composite certificate course होता है. I did that under my teachers. Then I took up Kathak very seriously because I was very inclined towards storytelling formats of dance.
okay.
And Kathak is actually Katha. It's comes from the word Katha, means story.
Story.
Storytellers. Initially they were all storytellers giving, uh, actually narrating the stories of Puranas to the common mass, जिसके पास पूरा उसका एक्सेस नहीं था, कि
हाँ.
उसमें जो भक्ति भाव जगाने के लिए ये लोग मंदिर के बाहर ये ऑर्गेनाइज होता था. तो they were from there Kathak then went to the courts and then went to became a classical form of India. So
Mm,
it's a very rich tradition. So I always love fascinated by the chakkars. कथक में होता है ना जो
um,
चक्कर्स होता है,
lot of rounds.
बहुत
Yeah.
fascinating turns and spins. So I took up the challenge. I studied, and then after I did a competition, national competition. I won. Then बहुत सारा जगह में चांस, जैसे मैंने बोला है ICCR टूर में सिलेक्टेड हुआ था, टीचर के
Mm,
साथ में गया था. डेनमार्क, बेलारूस, स्वीडन. देन मैंने रशिया में परफॉर्म किया एक इंडियन गवर्नमेंट के प्रोग्राम में. देन चाइना, थाईलैंड में गया था और
हाँ.
some contemporary dance formats shows. देन फिलीपींस में एक सोलो करने का मौका मिला. मलेशिया में भी एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के एक इवेंट में मैंने सोलो
Mm-hmm.
किया था. That was just to gain my experience. Then I shifted to my Guruji right now, Pandit Rajendra Gangani. He's he's the legendary dancer of Jaipur Gharana, you can say. So
Okay.
he accepted me as his disciple. I'm studying under him right now. And his son Sanjeet Gangani, he also trains me a lot. So I'm actually kind of actually I was studying Lucknow Gharana before. तो मुझे
Okay.
जयपुर में जाना था. So this is the where I entered Jaipur. So hopefully in future I will be doing more shows and festivals, and with Guruji's Ashirwad I can move forward. So
Wow.
this is the dance part of me.
Shivani, seriously, like so many things in one person, it is rare. That is very good. And it was great having you on the show. There's a lot of questions I would still like to ask, but we are falling short of time. So it was great having you, Shivan, in our
So
show
much.
and know
Thank
your
you for
journey.
inviting because uh, ये आज के दिन में when आज के समय में like uh, we are all working, right? We have started
Yeah,
our journey. That time कोई अगर आके you recognize करता है तो उसका भी I think has a that person has a big heart, because you generally kind of recognize and uh, kind of highlight those people who are already a face.
yeah.
क्योंकि आपका फिर का शो का जो है उसका जो विजिबिलिटी है वो ज्यादा जाता है and all that they
Mm-hmm.
think, right? But working with newcomers and people who have just started their
Yes.
journey and pushing them is a very I think a very noble work. So
Yes.
you're doing that, Aditi, and thank you
Thank you
for that.
so
And
much.
being an interior designer also, you're taking out this time to build
Yes.
up this website and to push people forward. That is a
Yeah.
very big thing. I
Thank you so much. These are the words which we look for to keep moving, and it helps us
No, no,
to,
sure. Please do that because
yeah,
बहुत जन का career ऐसे set भी हो जाएगा ना because of your work, maybe
yeah.
the
I hope
connections.
I'll be able to do that.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, Shiban.